In this video for section 5.5, we're going to graph linear inequalities. So we're going to start with the Desmos graphing calculator, and we're going to graph 2x minus 3y is greater than or equal to 6. So I'm going to go to my Desmos graphing calculator. And type 2x minus 3y, and then greater than or equal to, you just hit the greater than sign and then the equals button on your keyboard, and that will make the greater than or equal to symbol. You can also find it by clicking on the show keypad button. It's right here. And this is greater than or equal to 6. So when I do this, I see that instead of just getting a line, I'm going to get a line and then a shaded area on my graph. That's what my graph is going to look like. My first question says to identify 3 points that are in the shaded area. So there are lots of points that I could identify that are in the shaded area. For example, 2, -2 is in the shaded area. 4, -2 is in the shaded area. 4, 0 is in the shaded area as well. So any points that you want to identify, there's lots of options for what you choose. Just identify any 3 points that are in the shaded area. 2, -2 is right here, 4, -2 is right here, and 4, 0 is right here. Question 2 says to identify 3 points that are not in the shaded area. So any points in this area that is not shaded could be the 3 points that I identify. Again, there's lots of choices. I'll identify some easy to see ones here. We have -2, -2, -4, 2, -4, 4. All of those are points that are not in the shaded area. That's -4, 2, and -4, 4. So now we're going to do another graph, which is y is less than or equal to -3. So as we saw before, this is going to be the graph of a horizontal line. When we have only an x or only a y, it makes a horizontal or vertical line, and a y equals equation makes a horizontal line. So in this case, we have a horizontal line with shading below it because we're talking about less than or equal to -3. So again, we are asked to identify 3 points that are in the shaded area. So any 3 points that are in this blue shaded area, I could identify. A point like -4, 2, 2, -4, 4, -4, 2, -6. All those are points in the shaded area. So anything with a y coordinate that is less than -3 is going to be a point that is in my shaded area here.